Hi, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with a $1 minimum deposit. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. One of the criteria most traders look at before opening an account with a Forex broker is the required minimum deposit. The required minimum deposit may be important to investors in a multitude of ways. Reputable, regulated Forex brokers will offer traders quite a variety of account types, and the expectations and targets of investors may be considerably different. It is crucial for the competition to offer a selection of accounts which is appropriate for all types of investors. There are hundreds of Forex brokers who offer investors the promise of a low minimum deposit. However, finding a list of some of the top 5 best Forex brokers who offer these minimum deposits can sometimes be a difficult process, especially when trying to find a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So, in this video, we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with a $1 minimum deposit. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have IQ Option. IQ Option, a broker developed under the IQ Option Europe company, was founded in 2013, contains a CY/SEC license, with permission to provide its financial services within the European Economic Area Zone, with several other licenses from other EU local jurisdictions. IQ Option specializes and offers services in binary options, stocks, shares, currencies, and ETF trading. Featured platform is available on IQ Option's Ultimate Investment Platform, which is supported on iOS, Windows, and Android operating systems. Accounts are available on demo, standard, and VIP accounts with lower minimum deposits, over 90 different types of underlying assets, 24/7 customer support services, access to their free mobile application, and more. IQ Option also allows traders to take part in their monthly online trading tournaments, which is an added bonus if you are feeling competitive. IQ Option also provides their very own educational learning center, which delves into a variety of trading tutorial videos, news, analytics, their very own trading blog and research center, and more, if you are looking to expand your education with IQ Option. At number 4 on our list is XTB. XTB is a European broker that was founded in 2002, has offices in 13 countries across the globe, is regulated by the UK Financial Conduct Authority, combines financial services with innovative technology, and supports a wide range of languages. XTB specializes in trading through Forex, Indices, Commodities, stock CFDs, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. Their accounts feature standard, pro, and Islamic accounts, with up to 1,500 tradable instruments, lower spreads, automated trading, free account setups, and more. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, XStation 5, and XStation mobile applications, which feature integration with NinjaTrader and are available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. XTB also provides their very own educational center, which features basic, intermediate, expert, and advanced courses in financial trading that delve into topics such as introductions, lessons in platform functionality, a market news and analysis panel, their very own market calendar, as well as a trader's library for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with XTB. Coming in at number 3 on our list, we have Exness. Exness is an online, fully regulated, globally recognized financial broker that is authorized by the Financial Services Authority, or FSA, of Seychelles, and was founded in 2008. Exness specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, indices, cryptocurrencies, metals, and energies. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and their very own web terminal, which is supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Featured accounts are provided on Standard, Raw Spread, Zero, and Pro accounts, with low minimum deposits, lower spreads, an unlimited number of positions, demo accounts, swap-free accounts, and offers over 105 different market instruments to trade, including over 103 currency pairs. Exness also provides their very own Trading Academy, which delves into the essentials of trading, multilingual video guides, market insight and analysis, as well as their upcoming webinars for you to sign up to if you are looking to expand your knowledge with Exness. Coming in at number 2 on our list, we have IG. IG was founded in 1974 and is regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority in the United Kingdom and the Australian Securities and Investments Commission in Australia, specializing in trading through Forex, indices, shares, commodities, options, and bonds. Featured platforms are available on the IG trading platform and the MetaTrader 4 platform. Both are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. IG only offers 2 main types of trading accounts and a demo account. The standard account is for retail day traders, and the more premium account for high net worth traders. The specific professional account requires certain criteria to be met regarding experience and trading capital, and allows greater levels of leverage in exchange for less regulatory protection. Their standard CFD account includes no setup fees or annual charges, access to demo accounts, live streaming charts, tools, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week customer phone support, and more. IG also provides their very own educational academy that delves into news and analytics, guides in risk management, webinars that you can register to, topics in strategy and planning, as well as their very own Academy mobile application for you to learn from if you are searching for any additional educational resources with IG. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with a $1 minimum deposit, we have FBS. FBS is a Forex and CFD broker which is authorized and regulated by the International Financial Services Commission of Belize and the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission. FBS offers clients the option to trade with Forex, indices, stocks, metals, and energies. Featured platforms are available on the FBS Trader platform, as well as MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are provided on Cent, Micro, Standard, Zero Spread, and ECN accounts, Each account offers different features and benefits respectively. A demo trading and swap-free accounts are also available. FBS also provides their very own Forex analysis panels, informative market overview videos, beginner, elementary, intermediate and experienced Forex guides, a variety of video lessons that delve into various educational topics from opening your account to the use of their platforms, as well as seminars, webinars and an economic calendar for you to browse through if you are looking for any additional educational resources with FBS. And those are some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with a $1 minimum deposit on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.